Next we will be setting the smart control panel time and temperature. Along this side of the unit here, there are a series of buttons. The third and fourth button along the side here will control the time setting. So to press that, it's currently 4:11 and we've set the hour. Next we hit the fourth button, which will change the minutes. To change the language or the temperature, we have the bottom buttons here, and we can change it to either English, which it is automatically set at, French, or Spanish. We're going to keep it on English. You also have the option to choose between Fahrenheit or Celsius. And on the smart panel here is a motion sensor. Along the side of the unit, you're able to turn off the motion sensor, and the LED display will tell you whether it's on or off.